Technology has certainly changed our ovens from when they were first invented. They were originally made of bricks, tiles, and cement. It wasn't until the 1800s that the first iron gas stoves were invented. Then in 1896, electric ovens came into play. Since then, ovens have dramatically evolved from just being a separate appliance to actually being designed right into kitchens. Modern kitchens have wall ovens now, and looking for one couldn't be easier. In this video, we've rounded up the 5 best wall ovens that you can choose from. For more information about the products mentioned, check the description below. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the Café Smart Single Electric Wall Oven. It's 30 inches and has a convection self-cleaning feature included. This oven includes an LCD touchscreen in the front so you can program the oven. If you're feeling lazy to stand back and check, you can also use your smartphone and voice commands to control it. Make use of the smart system that automatically tracks progress, modifies temperatures, and adjusts cook times for you. Worried that your roast, chicken, or turkey for that special occasion may not be perfect? Well, Café's wall oven is the only one that has a system that delivers top-down true convection. This unrivaled performance feature ensures that you'll have the perfectly cooked product all the time. Café's smart wall oven completely eliminates the need to preheat your oven. Save time with the pre-installed various precision cooking setting that gives you the right amount of heat without preheating. Another feature to note in this wall oven is its ability to give you a crisp texture for your food with less oil. Make your way to a happier, healthier lifestyle while still enjoying the crispy food you love. For small spills, there is a steam clean option, while a self-cycle clean is available for larger messes. These two can be done in the push of a button, making cleaning an easy breeze for you. At number 2 is the Bosch 800 series single electric wall oven. Bosch is well known for its quality products, and it's not limited to just kitchen appliances. The 800 series from Bosch comes with European convection self-cleaning. It's available in stainless steel, black, and black stainless steel. No matter what feel you want for your kitchen, you can match it with the Bosch wall oven. The fast preheat allows you to cook food from poultry, beef, or pork faster in a shorter amount of time. The oven also has a temperature meat probe to monitor the internal temperature of what you're cooking. This guarantees perfect cooking every time. If you're not a fan of preheating or you don't have enough time, there's a feature called roast or convection roast where you don't need to preheat. Speaking of convection, you'll have even heat distributed to all the racks if you use all 3 with the convection multi-rack mode. Get uniform results every time. The heat escaping from the oven is not a concern either with the 800 series from Bosch because of its closed-door broiling. Connect the oven to your smartphone and take control with voice commands. There's also a self-cleaning cycle option in 2, 3, or 4 hours, letting you relax or do chores while it cleans itself. At number 3 on the list is the GE Profile Smart Single Wall Oven. Enjoy 5 cubic feet of cooking capacity with this wall oven from GE. Dreaming of cooking robust meals but don't have the time? Set the GE Profile on autopilot and let it do its thing. All that's left to do is eat. The Profile's advanced technology provides simple instructions to cook even the most intricate dishes. It can automatically adjust the temperature and cook times to make sure you get the perfect results. Enjoy the simple yet powerful, brilliant touch in 7 touchscreen options on the LCD. You can connect the oven with the GE Appliances Kitchen app so you can control or start preheating even if you're not yet in your kitchen. The app also lets you scan a barcode on your product packaging to set the appropriate settings without hassle. As to preheating, if you don't have the time for it, there's no preheat option that adjusts the temperature, so you'll be able to get the results in a shorter span of time. To enjoy crispier food, the GE Profile has a hot air frying option to let you fry food with little to no oil. Enjoy the crispy goodness of food without all the oiliness. Its self-cleaning technology lets you relax while the oven cleans itself for even the most stubborn baked-on messes. At number 4 is the KitchenAid 30-inch double electric wall oven. Enjoy 5 cubic feet of ample cooking space while saving space compared to having 2 single ovens side by side. To ensure you don't have burnt edges or that uncooked center, KitchenAid provides a unique bow tie shaped design and convection fan. It also has a temperature probe that monitors the heat of the internal part of your meat, poultry, or casseroles, so you don't have to open the oven to check, letting the heat escape. It's easy to clean, and its glass touch display with control lock function is included. It's both responsive and easy to use. The control lock function prevents accidental setting of changes while you're cooking. Partner it up with the large oven windows and the temperature probe, you almost never have to open the oven while cooking. A hidden bake element is expertly positioned at the bottom below the oven floor to give a smooth oven surface to make spills easier to clean without having to maneuver through the coils. In addition to that, the self-cleaning cycle is also available to help remove soil and messes inside the oven with the use of high-temperature cleaning. All you have to do is wipe the oven out a little and you're done. Our final product at number 5 is the Whirlpool Single Electric Wall Oven. Whirlpool has been loved and trusted for over 100 years, giving global home appliances and selling world-class products. This Whirlpool oven will give you an ample 5 cubic feet of cooking space that'll guarantee to fit right into your wall. Whirlpool will actually pay you $300 if it doesn't fit. This single oven features a hidden bake element to help you keep your oven clean. The bottom part of the oven is smooth for easy cleaning without having to go through the coils. Another great feature of this wall oven is the setting that delivers a consistent low heat to the whole interior to keep your food at just the right temperature. To optimize the cooking temperature, this amazing setting will make sure you get the perfect distribution of heat to get that perfect dish all the time. Simple and easy to navigate controls can be reached in the front of the oven, and you can also get the option to lock the controls so they won't accidentally change while the dish is being cooked. Time is of the essence when it comes to chores and other tasks. This wall oven from Whirlpool lets you set the cooking time in advance so you can do other things while waiting. Another feature is the automatic self-cleaning option that lets you clean the inside of the oven with high temperatures. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed the 5 choices we've presented to you for wall ovens. If you're curious about these and want more information or the best prices, head on down to the description for all the links. Before you go, please take a second to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you'd like to see us review another product. You can also click the subscribe button, and to be notified when there's a new video, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.